always looking for a whimsical bag, but I really can't justify purchasing one. I want to add things to my handbag collection that can wear multiple times with different outfits. There are occasions when I purchase things in the spur of the moment, and unfortunately I only wear those things once. It collects dust over time and I end up selling it. If you're following me on Instagram, you may have noticed that most of my handbags lean more towards the classic end of the spectrum. I can style them many different ways and with different outfits. I can also take them out for work or use them for a casual day of running errands. I finally found a bag that is also in a darker hue, but it's a little more creative, more playful. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Adrienne. I create outfit videos, travel, lifestyle, and review videos such as this one. I recently visited the Kate Spade boutique, and I can now say that I'm adding a whimsical, girly, out-of-the-box bag to my collection. I still haven't unboxed it or used it, so it's still in its original packaging. So this is what it looks like, and let me just take off this little foam protection with you. I saw this in the boutique and I was immediately gravitating towards it. I don't have any blue bags in my collection in particular. I do have a pretty big satchel that I've used once or twice. I like how this is petite, though it can still hold a lot of things. This is the Madison Embroidered Floral Small Satchel. I believe they also have a handbag, but it comes with a silver metal chain instead. Now that that's off, you get a better view of what this bag looks like. It is so cute, and I'll insert some mod shots of me holding it so you get a better reference of what it looks like against my body. The dimensions are 4.68 inches in depth. The height is 7.48 inches. The width at this bottom is 9.68 inches. The handle drop is 3.25 inches. It comes with a strap that's 22 inches. This is Saffiano PVC, so it looks exactly like real leather. It feels good. It's the Kate Spade, the little spade emblem, New York. And then, so it still has the clear protection covering. We have the zipper here. This is what the back looks like. I just bought this, so everything is still attached. So the back, it has this little stitching detail. Thought it was an exterior pocket at first, however this one isn't. On this side, you just have the end of the zipper, and in the front, you have the 6 floral details, but it actually has an exterior pocket here, you can see, so you can put your phone in. I would, but I'm recording with mine. Like, just keep all your important things here. No one would be the wiser. I mean, who would think that there's an actual pocket here? I'm giving you a close-up of what the top looks like. You can put both of these handles down as I did here. Open this up. So, taking the tissue paper out, this is the strap. Oh, stuff on it. Let's just look at the strap by itself first. So this has silver hardware on it. I don't have a lot of bags with silver hardware in it. I tend to gravitate more towards bags with gold hardware. I think it matches my color scheme better. If you've been on social media, you know that a lot of people are doing their own color analysis. I think gold complements my features a little bit more. However, I am integrating more silver pieces into my collection, starting with jewelry. I think that's the easiest way you can start experimenting. That has silver hardware. Kate Spade is in silver. It also says Kate Spade on the zipper in silver. It says Kate Spade there. It's adjustable, so depending on your height, you can adjust it. Though personally, I think I would just wear this bag as a top handle and just carry it as such. I really don't think it will look good against my petite frame as a crossbody, but if you are curious, there are 2 notches on the top of the bag. Here it's still protected, and then here where you can put the crossbody on. And again, I'll insert some footage of me in the crossbody and top handle so you can get a better understanding of what it looks like. You have an open pocket in the back here, and then it has the signature Kate Spade motif. It's the cutest thing ever, and by the time I post this video on YouTube, I will probably already have a lot of outfit videos on my Instagram, so make sure to check it out there. I think this is such a fun bag, and not only will I be wearing this on casual days out, I can see myself wearing this to work. Maybe not to the office since it won't be able to fit my laptop, but definitely to cocktail hours. You can see the floral 3D effect. Besides bag, you don't really need to accessorize any further. I could actually pair this with this. It might be a little too busy with the print on my dress. As of October, which is when I'm recording this video, this particular bag, the exact one, is still available on the Kate Spade website. It does have a 3¼ inch handle drop. I'm able to put it in the nook of my arm. It fits perfectly, and I can just carry it like this. This is a little too frilly for you, but you'll like the shape of the bag. Kate Spade actually produces this bag without the flower motif, so you're able to get it in the solid color. If you have this bag, let me know what your opinions are. If you're also curious about purchasing this and you have some questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.